Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare street style pav bhaji without using any artificial food colors and some shortcut tricks. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. So let's get started and have a look at the ingredients required. In this bowl, I have some roughly chopped vegetables. I have taken 4 potatoes that are peeled and cubed, around 5 to 6 florets of cauliflower, 2 small size carrots that are peeled and roughly chopped, less than half a cup of green peas, 2 small pieces of a beetroot. I am adding in beetroot to give it a nice color because I am not going to add any artificial food coloring in it. To get the similar taste as of the street style pav bhaji, please make sure that the quantity of potato should be more than the quantity of rest of the vegetables. 1 large sized onion that is finely chopped, 4 medium sized tomatoes which are ground into a fine paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of fresh red chili paste. I took around 7 to 8 Kashmiri red chilies, soaked them in some hot water for 2 hours and drained the water and ground it into a fine paste. Around 50 grams of butter, juice from 1 lemon, some fresh coriander leaves chopped. In the spices, I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste. Now let's start cooking. First we will pressure cook all our vegetables until they are nice and soft. So here I have taken a pressure cooker. In this I am going to add in all my vegetables. Now we will add some water, around half a cup. And we will pressure cook this for around 5 to 6 whistles or until your vegetables are nice and mushy. So by the time vegetables are being cooked, we'll start preparing the masala for the bhaji. So here I have a pan heating up on medium heat. I'm going to add in a butter. Now I will add in our finely chopped onions. Give it a stir. Now we have to cook the onions until they are nice and soft. Onions have become soft. Now I'm going to add in the garlic paste. Along with this, I'm going to add in the red chili paste. Cook this mixture for about a minute. Now I'm going to add in the tomato paste. And now as you can see, our onion and tomato paste has been cooked nicely. The butter has started oozing out. We are going to add in our spices. So what I like to do for pav bhaji is that I like to add little extra butter. And once the butter starts melting, in this butter I am going to add in our spices so that they will give nice color. Now mix everything. Now I will add in some coriander leaves. Now I have added all the vegetables that have been pressure cooked and they are nice and soft. I am going to take a potato masher and mash them up nicely. Make sure you mash the beetroots nicely, then only you will get nice reddish color. And please do not add lot of beetroot, otherwise your bhaji will become bit sweet. Now all our vegetables have been mashed nicely. A quicker way to mash all the vegetables is just to take all the boiled vegetables and grind them in a mixie jar and then add it to the masala paste that we have made. Now I am going to roast all the vegetables nicely without adding water. Roasting of the vegetables at this stage will give a nice taste. After roasting the vegetables for around 3 minutes, I am going to start adding water now. Mix it. Now we are going to add in salt according to taste. And lemon juice. Mix everything. Now once the bhaji starts boiling, I am going to add in a little more butter. Mix it. Now I will add in some coriander leaves. So now you can see our bhaji is done. It has got such nice red orangish color without adding any artificial food coloring in it. Now it's time to switch off the flame and we'll start preparing the pav for the bhaji. So here I have a tawa heating up on a medium flame. I let the tawa heat up nicely. After the tawa is heated up, we are going to add in the butter. Now in the butter we are going to add in some pav bhaji masala. Mix this. Now I'm going to take my pavs and then coat this both the sides with this masala, and we are going to toast our pavs from both the sides nicely. Our pavs are done now. I'm going to switch off the flame and we'll start plating our bhaji. And our pav bhaji is all ready to be served. Do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye.